Okay, so created one table, courses, table name courses,
Yes.
right? The same thing you did it. So course ID, course table name is create table courses, starting bracket, course ID as an integer, course name as a varchar, 255, closing bracket, semicolon, right? Now execute this. Did you guys write it or I need to put in chat?
Can you just say slowly? I can hear you. Courses table name is courses and the course ID.
Yeah, I put in the chat. Yeah, course ID
I've already
as an
created.
int. Write the way I'm writing and then execute it.
Oh, so mine is a little bit different. I guess.
Okay, delete that and take this one. So I execute it and you can see I did put in the chat. You guys can copy it. So the command is completely successful, right? That means our table is created. So here is our courses table, DBO. Courses that has two table, course ID and course name, right?
Yes.
So now let's create another table called
We can get another table in bottom of this. Am I right?
hold on. So
Yes,
you guys know how to insert the data on the table? What is the command to insert the data in the table?
can.
Insert into the table name
Insert into table name and
and
then
the values.
Values,
and
then
values. Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Insert into table name and values. So we can insert into courses, the table name and the value we want to do, course ID and course name, right? Because we created course ID and course name, right? There's two fields. We want to put the values this way, right? So I'm gonna put in the chat, copy this. While you're writing, try to understand. If you have any question, ask me, okay? If you don't understand, don't blindly just go. So we're inserting into courses, which is table name, and two field course ID and course name. And the values we're writing 511, web design, 512 for development, 513 programming. These are the data we're going to insert it, right? So now we're gonna execute it, right? So 3 row affected, right?
Yes.
Now, Toha, how do I can see the information of the table?
select
Courses.
space star space from courses
Space
star
from courses,
from
right?
courses. Yeah. Then semicolon.
Okay.
Well, we don't finish it. Give me a little.
I put in the chat so you can copy from there and paste it. So this is our command to see all the information we just created, right? So when you run it, highlight and run it, we can see our course ID, course name, field, and the information already created there, right? So this is our one table, right? Just created. Now let's create another table called subjects. So therefore, what is the syntax? Creating a table.
Create table. And what is the
Create
name?
Table. Then
What is the name of the, you said, I forgot. You just said that I didn't.
subjects.
Oh,
Subjects.
subjects. And then first bracket,
Mhm.
subject underscore ID. And
Okay, so
integer.
put the values and then closing bracket, semicolon, right?
Yeah.
So create table name, opening bracket, and then
Subject.
values, and assign the types of the variables, and then closing bracket, semicolon, right? There's the syntax, right?
Yes.
Good. So I'm gonna put in the chat, copy it, paste it.
But
So this is our second table, right?
what is that? We make only one table, no? Courses.
I'm just
Oh,
putting
create subject
making
table.
now
Okay.
second table, which is the subjects.
But I have this little problem in here.
Why?
Insert. I don't know what happened.
I just put in the chat everything, right?
Yeah. Nah, but when I
Then
write down the
what's
insert into,
copy it right now? Copy it. Insert into the way I put in the chat, copy whole thing and paste it. Put a blank after every, put a one space after every command. When you like insert into, when you finish, just leave a gap, then do this, leave a gap, and then start new. In that way, the things will be, understand like what commands you're using. You just copy and paste, it shouldn't give you any error. You may be mistaking something. So everyone copied, create table subject, you can execute this.
For some reason, it's not executing.
Yeah, it's
No,
not.
It will not execute because int can we take out that thing.
so we have to write because it,
And then this comma should not be there. Okay, this comma will be there. Sorry.
Yeah, this comma will be
This
there.
comma
Yeah,
will
just
there.
remove
Okay,
the
I guess
integer
okay,
parameter.
Just 10. Take out the 10 after integer. That's why it was giving the error.
Okay.
So
Now,
take out the integer and then the length 10. Take out that thing. Just keep it as integer. Okay. Everyone on the
yes.
same page?
actually my last one is not created. I don't know what happened.
It will not create it. Okay, I'm copying and pasting it. You didn't understand what I said. I'm pasting it again. Take it. I said like for integer 10, take out the 10. But still I copy it and paste it on the chat. Take it from the chat and then write it down.
Yeah, it created when you put the table.
Okay.
Column.
Everyone done? Everyone on the same page? Jafar?
Yes.
My one is some error coming.
What error coming? Same thing, you paste it. You took out the 10 bracket integer and then bracket 10. You took out the thing.
So I copy the last message that
Yeah,
put
like
in.
create table.